What's up everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Invested Minds YouTube channel. My name is Zakaria. Today I want to discuss a very interesting tool that I use. Trade on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, hourly time frame, 4 hour, it doesn't matter. This tool, a simple tool, gives you a clear overview where support and where resistance is, and you can trade it very easily. My name is Zakaria, and check this video out. But first of all, I want to pay my tribute to my home country, Maghreb, Morocco. As you maybe already know, Morocco has been struck by a devastating 7.2 earthquake around the area of Marrakech. This earthquake was 20 kilometers down into the ground, and even South Spain and Portugal felt it. It's a major earthquake that alhamdulillah happened way deep into the ground. Alhamdulillah, we need to say in every situation. Alhamdulillah. This earthquake has a epic point around Marrakech, specifically Al Hawaz, Taroudant, Amizmiz. Those are cities pretty small with a lot of small villages. So imagine you have a city. In that city you have like 60, 70, 80 joint villages, and each joint village, I don't know how to explain it exactly, but each area you have like 70 areas. In Taroudant you have like 69 areas, and each area has like 100, 200 villages. So imagine all those villages are like not well developed places, small villages. People are still living their old school. It's very hard to reach those places. You have basic stuff. Houses are built not too strong. Even some houses, you have like houses that are built with mud. So imagine. And these villages are around big, amazing mountains. So all those villages are very vulnerable to shaking, to a little earthquake already. But this earthquake, subhanallah, I just talked with a friend of mine that I met 3 months ago in Marrakech, and he's from the village Amizmiz, and he said like the whole village is gone. The whole village is gone. Houses, families are still below the rocks and buildings. It's wallahi really devastating, subhanallah. So if you can support in any way, drop a comment. I give you a reliable source of a charity program that will be helping these people directly. He said to me, his family, his friends are like gone, literally. And alhamdulillah, he was that night out for a meeting to recite the Quran and stuff like that. And yeah, alhamdulillah, it was not his time to go, and Allah protected him from this disaster. But right now he's living outside. His home is gone. He doesn't have any clothing anymore, food. His own house is gone, furniture gone, vanished. So imagine you have a small village between mountains, and these mountains are throwing rocks, and the ground is shaking, and everything comes together. in the middle of that small village. And it's really, really, he's talking with me and he's like crying, and he's in any case praising God, and still be thankful that he has his health and everything. And I must say, the way he talked about the aid, he said he is so blessed with the aid just from normal people, just from charities, and you name it. And there is a lot of aid, everything is there. He's now right now sleeping in a tent with his son and his wife. So these stories are very, very, very warm. So I want to talk also about Binance. They said that our hearts going out to the people of Morocco. They will be donating $3 million in BNB token to our users in Morocco. We stand by our users in times of need. Stay strong. That's a great thing to do, man. I really appreciate this action from CZ, although he likes to this channel talks about his cartel and manipulating the prices. May Allah bless the country of Morocco and help the people in need, and you know, make this situation a cause of a better situation, inshallah. There are also reports right now, to end this part of the video a little bit positive. They reported that there are many wells, new wells have been created by Allah with the cause of this earthquake, subhanallah. So yeah, you never know where Allah puts the good in it. You know, we think that something is bad for us and we suffer, but in the end we don't know what good it will give. So yeah, let's dive into the charts. So guys, let's dive into the chart. Bitcoin daily chart in front of me. So what is happening right now with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, as we spoke in several videos and tweets, that it has been retesting a very interesting price level, and that is this 32k level. We saw a beautiful rejection there, as we anticipated, because previous support has been flipping a new resistance. And in our previous video we explained why, and we're still standing on it. But right now Bitcoin has broken this low of this 26k, 25.5k, and it made a new low in 24,000 area, as you can see right there. Okay, so what is on the big picture? What could be happening next for Bitcoin? Let's start with that firstly, and then we're gonna talk about that tool. We analyzed that Bitcoin is in a very interesting pattern. The rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge patterns are definitely very bearish, and we saw the strong support all the way on and on, but right now it has been broken, as you can see, and has been retested. This blue diagonal support has been now retested weeks ago as resistance, as you can see. What is the target of this rising wedge pattern? Well, firstly, the target is the beginning of this of the rally. The beginning of the rally is around 17.5k, 18k. There we saw the start of this beautiful uptrend. But to play it level by level and pretty safely, we don't know if this rising wedge pattern will be playing perfectly and end up at 70k. We don't know that. What we right now can do is play it level by level. We saw another pattern here. It's the double top reversal pattern. A pattern that occurs on the end of the trend. The trend was up all those time, and now we saw this weakening double top pattern that indicates that this rally from 17.5k to 32k is ending. So what is the target of this double top pattern? We take this high 32k, 31.7, click on it, take the high and take the low 24.8. This target measurement move, we can deploy it at this level of the price. This level is the neckline of this double top pattern. If Bitcoin breaks this 24.8 with severe pressure, this target of 17.8, 18k type is most likely. So right now Bitcoin is still holding this amazing support of 25k. Can it hold? We don't know. We need to wait. We need to see if buyers gonna step in. You know, to be honest, I don't know. You know, to be honest, I don't know what is gonna happen exactly. But this, you know, still will be functioning as support as long as it does. You know, we need to respect that. We need, you know, we cannot say that okay now the Bitcoin price is definitely going now to 20k.